Sa silver guys, oh. Puti na yan guys. Maging puti na yan guys. Ang sando ko guys, puti na. Mukhang bago na sila guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video guys, ayan, banagit ito yung ano ko guys, yung binigay ni Habi guys. Yan yung engagement ring. Ayan, ito guys, na nyo. Yan, ito yung mga silver ko dati guys, iba yung kulay. So ang gawin ko nito guys, which is lagyan ko siya ng ano, baking soda guys, para maging maganda guys. Sa silver guys, oh. Puti na yan guys. Maging puti na yan guys. Kahit yung sando ko guys, puti na. Ayan. Okay. Mukhang bago na sila guys. May kwintas ko guys. Maganda na, nilagyan ko lang siya ng baking soda guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda na niya guys. Oh, bagong-bago na siya. Oh, itong kwintas ko guys. Oh. Kanina ito ganitong itsura guys. Ano niya, ang ganda na guys. Ito guys. Ganda na guys, oh. Wow! This is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments in my YouTube channel. Bye-bye! See you in my next vlog.